It is with great pleasure that I am able to introduce to you, for a repeat performance, Mr. MC Dub! What's up, MC? How y'all doing? Oh man, I'm so excited to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. Okay, you ready? All right, go get him, bud. Hey yo, MC Dub! What's up, Sam Marin? How y'all doing, STEM Marin? Good. Hey, so your teacher, Mr. Williams, he invited me in to drop this beat for you guys. Look, this one's kind of like a soft, lyrical kind of piece. It's not like a club banger like you might be used to, so bear with me, check it out. Here we go. Hey, what up, girl? A lot of time in physics, we treat objects as independent entities. But some of the most interesting parts of physics occur when two objects interact with each other. Let's learn about it together. Yo, MC Dub, Physics Force Club, Sam Marin High School 2020, talking about potential energy, kinetic energy, momentum, impulse, elastic and inelastic collisions. Come on. In the beginning, objects got potential energy from being at a height or attached to a battery or even sometimes being connected to a spring whose compression and expansion can move the thing. Gravitational PE equals mh times gravity, and 1/2 kx squared gives you the spring PE, where x is the distance traveled by the spring and k is a constant of pliability moving. 100% of the energy becomes kinetic in a friction-free sealed box, call it hermetic. No thermal energy, it's perfect copacetic, but in the real world, entropy exists frenetic. Run against it. Friction causes heat, so we calculate Ke with 1/2 mv squared Pe becomes Ke, that turns into heat as objects slow. Now the object is moving, so it's got momentum. That's the mass and its speed in one direction, and the object hits another in a collision. But there's two types of impacts, gotta make a decision. If they bounce off each other, that's called elastic. If they stick and hold, that's inelastic. Either way, the momentum is conserved. Elastic collisions, all momentum is transferred. Inelastic collisions, momentum is shared, because the objects have combined and the mass is paired. Finally, we gotta talk about the force on the object being impacted, of course. You know, mv equals force times t, which means F equals mv over t. Because in a collision, momentum equals impulse. Energy is transferred. Two objects convulse. No longer interacting, they move away. Small time of impact makes a forceful day.